Hey everyone, it's Jay-Z. So you might be asking yourself, why would you want to use a tool like HubSpot? Well, it's very simple actually. Traditional marketing is broken. The old school way of doing things just doesn't work anymore. So you'll notice that companies are aligning their content on their website and their social media, but primarily their websites, with the content that people are looking for, and that is called inbound marketing. Let's look at a few of these statistics. Companies are 3 times as likely to see a higher ROI on inbound marketing campaigns than on outbound. So again, the traditional way of doing outbound, whether that's direct mail or advertising, they're showing that 3 times more are as likely to see a higher ROI if you're doing inbound. So that's what HubSpot offers. Look at this, a whopping 54% more leads into the funnel than traditional outbound leads. So something to consider there for your marketing dollars. Also, there's one other item here. 49% more than inbound leads as far as outbound leads costs. So you're going to save money doing the inbound leads, definitely. Let's look at HubSpot's marketing platform. I've used HubSpot myself. It's a fantastic platform. I'm a certified Salesforce administrator, so that's a CRM that integrates with tools like HubSpot. I've used various products. I could tell you that as far as marketing platforms go, HubSpot is at the top of the list. So really what you want to do is change the way you're doing business. And then if you're already doing inbound marketing and you're looking for why you would use HubSpot over other tools, basically HubSpot is going to make it easy for you in the sense that you have all the tools you need in one location. It's very easy to integrate with your CRM if you have a CRM. If you don't, the good news here is that HubSpot actually has a free CRM. So I'm just scrolling through here for the process of inbound marketing where you can attract people to the website and then convert them and nurture them. So ultimately, you're going to delight your customers, and HubSpot is a fantastic platform to help you to achieve those goals. So that's just a quick idea of why you would want to use HubSpot. If you're interested, you can get started for free. I'll leave a link in the description below. I highly recommend this tool for achieving growth in your business, whether you're small, medium, or large size business. All right, happy HubSpotting. So now looking at HubSpot, let's take a look at their marketing option here. It's called the Marketing Hub. What you can see here is something right off the bat, which is there is a low barrier to entry. They do have a free option. Of course, as you click through these, you can see, just as with Pardot, that you have not every feature in the lower plans, but as you move up, you begin to get all of those great benefits and features. Well, what I would point out to you here is that there is tremendous benefit in having the marketing automation piece, which is available at a lower price here, you can see. So mom and pop shops or small types of businesses can get into this at a lower threshold. Even the enterprise product, substantially lower than Pardot here at $2,400 a month. This has all the bells and whistles, as you can see. What's also important to note is that HubSpot is tops in the industry. I've seen numerous reviews on them on review sites, and they are at the top. They are well liked. I've used Pardot and HubSpot, so I can tell you from my own personal experience, both nice tools to have at your fingertips. And so what it really comes down to is, does it meet your threshold for your budget? And is it something that you can grow into and feel things out at first without putting down a whole lot of money? And here, of course, you've got that option with HubSpot. with all of these other types of options where you can grow into the product if you so need to. Even at the professional level, you do have marketing automation available to you right here. So to get some more of those triggering options and more advanced types of things, you would have to go up to enterprise, but still nice to know that just for $800 a month, with the contacts not being an issue, both products pretty much have the same charge for additional contacts, and all of these are slated at 10,000 contacts starting out. So these are the key things most people are going to be looking for when they're looking for an automation product.